Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll learn one of the most important real-world skills in project planning, how to recover a delayed project in Primavera P6. We'll use two powerful recovery methods, crashing, fast tracking, and I'll show you both with a realistic construction example. Let's say our project originally had these activities. Original completion equals April 21st. Now due to manpower shortage, foundation got delayed by 4 days. So project completion moved to April 25th. Now management wants recovery back to original date. Method 1. Crashing. Crashing means adding more resources to reduce duration. For example, foundation duration equals 5 days. Add extra shuttering plus labor team, new duration equals 3 days. Similarly, slab work equals 5 days. Add second crew, new duration equals 4 days. Now we recovered 3 days. This is called schedule compression through crashing. Method 2. Fast tracking. Fast tracking means overlapping activities that were originally sequential. For example, column work originally starts after foundation, finishes change, relationship from FS to SS plus 2 days. This means column activity starts 2 days after foundation begins. Now, column work overlaps with foundation. Slab prep can begin earlier. This can recover another 2 days. Foundation to column equals FS. New. Foundation to column equals SS plus 2 days. This is very powerful, but it increases execution risk. To summarize, how to do this in Primavera. For crashing, reduce original duration. Add more resource units, recalculate schedule for fast tracking. Open relationships, tab, change, FS to SS, add lag equals 2 days, press F9. Now compare new finish date with original baseline. When to use crashing. When more manpower is available, budget flexibility exists. Use fast tracking. When parallel execution is possible, risk is manageable, site dependencies allow overlap. And that's how you recover delayed projects in Primavera P6 using crash and fast track techniques. This is one of the most powerful real-world planning skills every scheduler must know. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. See you in the next DP tutorials video.